Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Grilling with Rubes, and a warm welcome to those of you tuning in for the first time. Thanks for joining us. Today I'm going to be making bacon wrapped onion bombs with goat cheese and a sweet chili sauce, and tater tots with Gorgonzola cheese on the Blackstone. Stick around, I know you're going to love it. So let's get grilling. So we're going to start with our large onions. They're about 4 inches in diameter. It'll just fit into our burger a lot better and into the bun. So first thing we want to do is to cut off the bottom. We're going to go about a little more than half. Okay, then we just peel off the skin. So you want to squeeze out the center, got a remaining cup. There we go. Okay, so for our meat, we've got our ground beef. What I have here is about a ½ pound of American Kobe beef, and I'm going to mix that with ½ pound of ground chuck, 80/20. And so into that we're going to have 2 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of garlic powder. Give everything a good stir. So now we're going to put the meat into our onion cups. There we go. And then we've got a little bit left, just enough. All right, so with our goat cheese, we're going to do 3 with cheese and then 1 without because my wife can't have any cheese. Optional, of course, jalapeño. All right, so I forgot the bacon, most important part of it. So I've taken out the beef, I put it onto a plate. Bacon we're using is going to be a hickory smoked bacon. Turn your onion cup around, lay them out into the star pattern, and then fold it in to the middle. Our meat. Our grill right around 400. We're going to go ahead and put everything into here, and we're going to put it over on the indirect side. Come back in about 30 minutes to see how our onion bombs are doing. All right, so we're back. It's been about 30 minutes. I'm going to open this up and we're going to see how everything's doing. Oh, that looks great. It's getting close to about 140. Yeah, so we'll let this go for a little bit longer. I've still got the fire going. As you can see there, I've got the cherry wood actually smoking really good, so we're going to get some good flavors on that. For the last 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead and put some of our sweet chili sauce on there. We're almost there. And Sonic Tots. And of course, not sponsored by Sonic in any way. Tots are the best. Again, our Blackstone, we're going to put some butter down. And of course, these are frozen. Nothing wrong with frozen tater tots. And we're going to top them with the seasoning, the recipe in the description box below. And of course, we've got our Gorgonzola cheese crumbles that we're going to put on at the end and get that nice and melted. I think that's going to come out really awesome. Don't want to burn these too much. Just keep the heat down. We are there. So we are at about 165. I'm going to add a little more chili. That is looking really good. Smells great as well. Let's push these away from the fire. And we're going to do our buns right on this side. And as always, we love the brioche buns. Seasoning. Go. seasoning. Great crunchiness on that. That is a great combination with the cheese. You gotta have it with the cheese. All right, so let's start making our burgers or onion bombs. And then a little more of our chili sauce on the top. All right, and there we go. We've got our 4 bacon wrapped onion bomb burgers with goat cheese. And then we also have tater tots with seasoning and Gorgonzola cheese. All right, so I'm gonna go in and taste these. The goat cheese, we got a couple slices of jalapeno, and then we've got our burger, the bacon that's wrapped around the onion. Fantastic. All right, goat cheese. I'm getting the jalapeno. Absolutely fantastic. I really enjoyed that. Bit of the tater tots. Loved it. That's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. The onion bomb was absolutely delicious. I enjoyed every part of it. If you're new to my channel and enjoy what you're seeing, please hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, watch for my upcoming videos. See you next time.